Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Market Commodities Market Update with Jatin Trivedi, Senior Research Analyst with LKP Commodities. So for this week we are seeing again a good start for the commodities, especially the gold and silver prices. It is continuing the uptrend which it has shown in the last couple of weeks, and the prices have already scaled almost more than 2,500 points, nearly 4,000 points from the lows of 44,300 since the March and 31st March end, where the prices were 44,250 odd zones, and now we are looking at 47,700, 47,800 odd levels currently. So this sharp surge has happened due to the rising COVID-19 numbers again. That is the second wave being witnessed globally, especially the Indian shores and the Asian markets, Asian shores as well, and the euro zones as well. So we are seeing some strong lockdowns also happening, which is helping the bullions market. Initially on the euro front, the Asian front, the Indian front, Indian markets, we are seeing some strong lockdowns, state-wise lockdowns, containment zones lockdowns. So these all things are happening, very rapidly, and the slowdown, it is the markets are trying to capture the slowdown, which again will help the bullion prices going ahead. So now speaking about the levels in particular, in gold especially 48,250 to 48,500 will act as a resistance point for this week. After some strong stellar rally we have witnessed, we might see some profit bookings from higher levels, but not at current levels of around 47,700. So one should be looking at booking profits near 48,200, 48,300 odd zones in gold. On the downside, 47,500 to 47,300 will act as a very strong supportive zone, so, which is again the 50 DMA level on the short term trading charts, which is the 47,300, 47,400 odd mark. On the silver front, we might see another leg of rally happening before some correction. So we might see a rally towards 69,500 to 70,000 odd zones before it starts to correct or even shows some corrections. But it is not as certain that the bullions market will show some corrections. Only if there is some positive news about the vaccine updates, or some positive updates about the COVID-19 reducing numbers, then we might see some strong selling pressure being witnessed in bullion markets. Till then, it is advantage to bulls in the bullions front. The downside level for silver prices are at the levels of around 68,000 to 67,500. That is a very strong supportive zone for silver prices. Again, that is the 50 DMA on the short term trading time frame charts, which is lying at around 68,500 to 68,000 levels. Now, moving on to the next segment, which is the base metal complex, we have seen some strong short covering rallies happening, and also the base metal scaling even higher. Uh, some base metals scaling even higher, especially the aluminum prices and the copper prices, which have reached the previous swing highs of the March highs that we have seen. Now, at current levels of copper of 727, 728, one should be looking at booking some profits if they have taken bullish positions in the last week or so, because we have seen already a strong rally happening. Uh, it is not in the it is not into a correction mode right now, but we might see some profit booking happening at higher levels. So one needs to be very cautious now after these strong rallies happened in the base metal complex. So one should be looking at buying it on dips, a strong dip, that is. If you find copper prices near the levels of around 710, 715, then one can think of going long. Otherwise, you can avoid the counter. Other counters like aluminum lead also can provide some good upside from here on. Lead has a very strong supportive zones of 165 to 164. Aluminum prices have supportive zones of 187 to 188. If in all these levels do break down, then we might see some strong corrections happening in these both counters as well. Now moving on to the last segment, which is the energy SPAC. Crude oil has a good rally being witnessed in the last week or so, and now currently it is trading at the levels of around 47.50 as I speak. The higher level resistance is at 48,500, 48.50 to 4900, which is a strong resistance, and on the lower side 46.50 to 4600 will act as a very strong supportive zone. Looks like a very sideways counter for this week as of now. The natural gas prices are in a very much momentum kind of a part right now. So one should be, taking it as an opportunity of going long till the time 194 is not breached on the downside. Buying it on dip and also at current market price of around 205 looks very much on the right note. So one should be looking at buying natural gas prices for the targets of around 220 to 225 for this week. This is about it from me, guys. Hope to catch you all next week again on the same Ticker TV's commodities market update with Jatin Trivedi. Thank you.